Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. I got another swap doll, and this swap is the theme was cultural, so we had to make a doll based on the other person's culture. So my culture is obviously Finnish, and I requested a doll based off of a book or a series of poems called Kalevala, and that is our most known piece of literature, and that piece actually inspired Tolkien to write his Lord of the Rings books. So I asked for either an evil witch character called Pohjolan Eukko, and then I asked, and the other option was Aino, which is a fair maiden in the story. So I asked, I had two options that I gave my swap partner, and my swap partner ended up being Vanessa, who was also the person who I made my doll to. So that video will come up on August, I think. Yeah, I think it'll come out in August. And yeah, further ado, now I remember to block out all the addresses, because last time I forget to do that. I just opened the side so I don't waste so much time trying to get it open. So this is my third swap, I think. And they are just so much fun to do. I'm in a fourth one, so you will find out later. Oh, there's a note with my name on it. And a little sticker. Hi. Okay, so she did choose Aino, which was the fair maiden. The story goes that the main character, who is a very old man, like a wizard, is trying to sort of get Aino to marry him, and Aino does not like that, and she ends up being so desperate that she turns into a fish, and so she escapes the marriage that way. She said it's very interesting to research the Kalevala story. Yay, she talks about the clothes that she made, that they are all removable, and she tried to be as genuine to the period. This would be I don't know, Iron Age, Viking stuff, the time period when this was supposedly written or the story takes place. So now on with the doll. Okay, I think this big one is the doll, so we're gonna save that for later and start with this one. Oh, we have little green beads in a nice jar. And then we have glitter. Glitter is always very handy. Oh, this one is nice. I like turquoisey blue. And then we have some washi tape. Cute. This one says love and has a heart. And this one just has cream base and gold dots. This makes great wings. Ah, so you have to put this, you put this between two sheets of baking paper, and this sort of like melts into like fabric like texture or something. I've used the Angelina film in some of my customs, but I've never seen this fiber before. It's very interesting. Oh, I was just working on a doll that this would have been perfect with, but she's now already finished, so I need to find something else to use this for, but I don't think that's a problem because that looks really nice. And then some nail studs. Probably won't use these for my nails. They probably end up in some doll costume thing. And then a piece of fabric, nice green fabric, green, I use that a lot. Oh! These will be perfect for the custom I told you about the wings. I was just wondering, should I make her a bunch of flowers for her hair? But then I was like, that takes way too much time. Solution. Thank you, Vanessa. This is so nice. Who else is like a packaging hoarder? I always keep these because I think it's super handy to reuse them when I send my dolls, which my boyfriend does not appreciate. Okay, now we have the doll. Open last. Yes. Proof that I was thinking for once. It's starting to rain. Hope you can still hear me because I had to film it. Oh, the basket! Oh my god. There's like a teeny tiny basket. Hope you can still hear me because I have to film this on our balcony because our house is a mess and I'm not cleaning it today. Oh, she's blonde! I was hoping for a blonde one. I don't necessarily like blonde as a hair color, but I think this character just needs to be a classic Finnish girl, so blonde was perfect. Oh my goodness! Oh, she's an ever after idol if I can. Yeah! Super excited because these are ever after idols are not sold when these has never been sold in Finland. Oh, look at these shoes! Oh my god! She mentioned them in her letter. They're so like... Oh. Oh, I can't even. Look how realistic this is. And the clothes and everything. It has little like clasps. And she has a little flushed. And her tail is kind of tragic because she ends up turning into a fish because she doesn't want her to be forced to marry this old dude, even though he's like super powerful and like everything, but he's like really nasty. And there is this like really famous Finnish painting where Aino is swimming and Väinämöinen, who is the main character, the old wizard, and he's just trying to grab her like this, and then she's like completely naked in the lake and she's going like, what are you doing? And yeah, she is like so accurate. I love these teeny tiny shoes. They look exactly like they give the same vibe as the real ones, and the real ones are made of bark, like I think it's called, what's the tree called in English? It's in Finnish it's koivu. I don't know, I can't remember what it's called in English. It's like a white bark with black stripes in it. So they would weave like little shoes out of it, or like moccasins, but made out of trees. Look at this apron. Oh, and these little braids in her hair. Thank you so much, Vanessa. You got it so right. And I just absolutely adore her. Thank you so much. Close up of her is her like kind of sorrowful but still very sweet face. And here's like these clasps that were like these exist in the real garments as well. And then is her apron with a little bit of like embroidery, and here's the shoes, which I'm totally excited for. And her hair, which is like super long. I think super long hair is always like so satisfying to brush on dolls. And then these little braids. Yeah, she's... Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow Vanessa on Instagram at Necciza. Yeah, I will link her down below, and until next time, bye everyone.